welcome back. Now that you are aware of the risks and different ways to invest, let us see how we can get started on buying crypto in Singapore. So we look at Binance.sg versus Binance.com. So Binance.sg is Binance Singapore, Binance.com is Binance Global. These two platforms are the same but different. Though Binance Singapore is a subsidiary of Binance and they are regulated by MAS. Binance Global, the URL is Binance.com, they are not regulated by MAS. Now let us look at the difference. We'll start with Binance Singapore. So number one, all transactions on the platform are via SGD. Trading fees is at 0.6%. There are only 8 cryptocurrencies that you can trade. Now if you want to deposit money into Binance Singapore, you need a third-party payment provider. Now that company is Expert. Good thing is that there are no fees for deposit and withdrawal. Now on Binance Global, all transactions are via USD. Transaction fees are much lower. Now if you buy with Binance Coin, there is even a discount on the trading fees. There are a lot more supported cryptocurrencies you can buy over there. On Dogecoin, you can buy it here. To buy crypto on Binance Global, there are 3 ways. Number 1 way, credit card. Number 2, P2P. So P2P is actually peer-to-peer. You can think of it like Carousel. You give the person SGD and the person give you the crypto. Or you can buy Binance Coin on Binance Singapore and send it over to Binance Global and buy the crypto that you want. Now the opposite is true. When you sell, you can use P2P to sell your crypto. So you can sell your crypto, someone give you SGD. Or you can turn your crypto back into the Binance Coin, send it back into BSG, Binance Singapore, and turn it back into Sing dollars. One very important thing to note is that you cannot buy in Binance Singapore and sell it in Binance Global. What I'm saying is that the wallet are not linked. They are two separate wallets. Next, we are going to look at Binance Singapore and I'm going to show you a demo how to buy and sell. Then we'll look at Binance.com and how to buy and sell. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.